Hello, I'm Neil Bull. I'm the Environmental Projects Manager for the Rice Growers Association of Australia. I've been associated with rice farming for in excess of 45 years. As a young farmer, I had probably very little respect for the environment on our own farmland. And as I got older and learnt and saw it, how degraded it was and how it was becoming, I learnt that we needed to act. We established 35% of our farm as native vegetation, including grasslands, on an irrigation farm. Doing that did not cost our farm any dollars in terms of productive capacity. It actually increased it. And from sitting back and watching and looking more widely across the landscape, I can see we are losing species across Australia, probably one of the worst countries for loss of species in the world. And we need to act on that. We need to increase habitat across our country. The rice farming landscape it's not a natural landscape, it's highly modified, but many species have adapted to use them and make them home. Rice farms provide homes for around 50 species. Some of these, like the glossy ibis, the brolga and the Australasian bittern, but also frogs and even turtles live on these farms. The dilemma we face now is connected with the availability of irrigation water and the reduction in the area, particularly of rice that's grown, and the challenges to grow that rice with minimum amount of water. What this means is there is less time for the food to generate within the crop and less time for birds to breed in the crop. With this project, what we are doing, we are increasing the ponding or the wetland inundation period of a rice field and also the associated infrastructure. So if we can find the money to support them to purchase some extra water, it can really maximise the habitat benefits of the crop. My vision for the future is just to connect the privately held landscapes, the farming landscapes and their habitats to the national park landscapes. We know that our species don't recognise, oh hey, this is a national park, or hey, this is a farm. They go to where it's a bloody good place to be. If you can pledge to our project, this is not a big project in terms of dollars, but we can demonstrate what can be achieved in these farming landscapes to create this kind of habitat. And longer term, I think we can use this as an example as to how we may be able to support our farmers so that they can do this on an ongoing basis.